Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abizar Izzi from freeborn.com, and in this video I'll be sharing the steps to install Envato elements on your WordPress website, and as a bonus I'll also show you how you can use Envato elements in Canva. So let's head over to our WordPress website, and to install Envato elements plugin you need to go to plugins, add new, and in the search plugins simply search Envato. Right, so here it is, you can see Envato elements. Let me just tell you that Envato elements works only with Elementor Pro plugin. So you need to have your Elementor Pro subscription, and also if you want to use the premium templates from Envato, you need to subscribe to Envato elements. So right now we do not have our subscription for Envato. Let's just see what we can do for free with Envato. So we are just installing the Envato elements, and then after installation we'll activate the plugin. Right, so clicking on activate will activate the Envato elements plugin. So here we are. See, I already have the Elementor Pro plugin installed on my WordPress website. I have Rank Math plugin, and we now have the Envato elements plugin. So on the left side of your WordPress website, you will see here the Envato elements, right? So click on it, and even if you do not have a premium subscription of Envato, you can still use the free kits. Okay, so if we go to template kits, we can find all kinds of premium template kits here. Okay, when we click on install, right, so this is asking you for the subscription, right? If you click on get started, you will need to sign in here and complete the payment. So right now I have already signed in with my Gmail account. All right, so it says you need a subscription. Okay, so now we do not have the Envato element subscription. Once we have the subscription, you will enter the token here and verify it. So instead of the premium template kits, let's go with the free kits. Right, so here we have all the free kits. Okay, you can select any of the free kits and click on install. Let's say I will search for, do we have anything for writer? Nothing for a writer. Let's say blog, or maybe agency. Right, so we have a lot of templates for agency. We have creative agency, travel, and web agency. Let's go ahead with the web agency. So you can either first preview the template and then click on install kit. So these are the templates available for every page. Envato elements kit has a different template. So as you can see, the home page template will look like this, the services page will look like this. Okay, the portfolio page, the FAQ page also is there. Right, so we have previewed the template kit, and let's click on install. So the kit has been installed, and we'll click on view kit. Okay, one by one we'll just click on import template, and the template will be installed. Make sure that you read the notice here. It says that there are three requirements that need installing for this template kit to work correctly. So we'll just install the requirements. It says Elementor default color schemes, Elementor default typography schemes, and custom CSS. Right. So we'll install all the requirements. It is done. Right, so one by one now we'll go ahead by installing the templates. It will take some time to install these templates. One by one we can install all the templates and view it. So right now we have the home page installed. Let's just view the template. And there are two more templates for the home page. So if you do not like this first template, you can install the second one also, and you can view the template. So this is how the template looks like, and you can edit this template using Elementor Pro. So let us view the second template, and let us also install other templates. I have also installed the services template. So this is the second template for your home page. Whichever looks good, whichever is suitable to you, you can go ahead with that template and edit it and publish the template. Right. So this is how you can work with Envato elements on your WordPress website. Now let's see how you can integrate Envato elements icons in your Canva. So let's go ahead to Canva. Right, here we are at the Canva, and you will need to sign into your Canva account. Right, I have signed in using my Gmail account. Go to the apps. Right, in the apps you'll just need to search for Envato. Search for Envato. So here we are with the Envato. Envato Elements offers photos and AI generated icons which you can use in your existing design or new designs also. So if we select any of our existing designs, we go to projects, logo. Right, here we are, and this is where you can see all the Envato elements, icons and photos. So to access any of the icons and photos from Envato, you will need to connect your account, and again you will need the Envato elements subscription. I am sharing the Envato Elements subscription URL in my YouTube, on my YouTube channel. In the comment section, you can check it in the description. So just use this URL to sign up and buy a subscription for Envato. When you buy the subscription for Envato using my affiliate URL, I might earn a commission which will help me grow my YouTube channel. So thank you guys for your support, and we'll come back again with some more videos on Envato elements and how you can use Envato elements on your WordPress website, and how you can use Envato for designing templates for your social media accounts. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So be healthy, be wise, and keep sharing. Take care. Bye.